It's submission. It's humility. It's surrender. A log in the garden, not my will, but yours.
The following message is transmitted as a request of the Texas Department of Public Safety. This is a statewide child abduction alert by the Texas Amber Alert Network. The San Antonio Police Department is searching for Lincoln Hernandez, white, male 12 years old, 5 feet 3 inches, brown hair, brown eyes, and last seen wearing a gray sweater, blue shirt, black sweatpants, and white shoes.
Which is quite the...
The San Antonio Police Department is searching for Lincoln Hernandez, white, male 12 years old, 5 feet 3 inches 98 pounds, brown hair, brown eyes, last seen wearing a gray sweater, blue shirt, black sweatpants, and white shoes. The suspect is driving a black sedan with unknown license plate number. Law enforcement officials believe this child to be in grave or immediate danger. If you have any information regarding this abduction, call the San Antonio Police Department at 210-207-7660. News media point of contact is San Antonio Police Department 210-207-7579.
The following reports of weather temperature and wind will fade at 10 a.m. DSW Airport.
Sprinkling of a little bit.